Hi, this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of LEXIS and Company, and I am a law student of IMB Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Sabrimala Temple verdict by Supreme Court. The Sabrimala Temple, considered the abode of God Ayyappa, it is located in the Periyar Tiger Reserve in the Western Ghat mountain ranges of Pathanamthitta district of Kerala. It prohibited the entry of women in their menstruating year between the age of 10 to 15 on the ground that it is a place of worship. And against this, a group of 5 women lawyers has challenged the Rule 3 Clause B of the Kerala Hindu Place of Public Worship Authorization of Entry Rules of 1965, which authorize restriction of women of menstruating age. They moved the apex court after the Kerala High Court upheld the centuries-old restriction and ruled that only the priest was empowered to decide on tradition. Senior advocate Indira Jai Singh, who represented the petitioner, said the restrictions went against Article 14, 15 and 17 of the Constitution, and she argued that the custom is discriminatory in nature and stigmatized women, and that women should be allowed to pray at the place of their choice. The Supreme Court has ruled that women of all age group can enter Sabrimala Temple in Kerala. The apex court in 4:1 majority said that temple practice violates the right of Hindu women, and the banning of entry of women to shrine is a gender discriminate. And a 5-judge Constitution bench headed by Chief Justice of India Deepak Mishra said that the provision in Kerala Hindu Places of Public Worship Authorization of Entry of Rules 1965, which authorized the restriction, violates the rights of Hindu women to practice religion. The bench, led by Chief Justice Deepak Mishra and comprising Justice R.F. Nerman, A.M. Khanwilkar, D.Y. Chandrachud and Indu Malhotra, and had reserved their judgment in the case on 2 August this year. And the temple dedicated to Lord Ayyappa is one of the most famous board of Kerala. The Children's Deva Swam Board manage the temple, and it is likely that ruling will have an impact on all temples on their custom across the state. The temple management has contended in court by that they are allowed to frame rules for shrine without the state interference, as the Ayyappa devotee from a dominant body with the different definite identifiable character. And they also said that it was not discriminatory, as the tradition was born from the belief that the deity of Naistika Brahmachari. Meanwhile, women devotees who ran the Ready to Wait campaign opposed the petition. Well, the campaign has sprung up in response to right to pray, and they argue that only a woman of certain ages are barred from entering the temple, that it is okay to wait till 50 to enter the holy shrine. They also argued that petitioner over confusing diversity of Hinduism with discrimination. And over this issue, Kerala government also said they had opposed the entry of women in 2016. It told that Supreme Court during the hearing was in favor of allowing women to pray at temple. Advocate Jadeep Gupta, representing the state government, said it would support the entry of women of all ages to the temple. Some observation by the Supreme Court during hearing. During the hearing, the Supreme Court observed that what applies to a man applies to a woman as well, and that once you open it for public, anyone can go. The bench also said that women's rights to pray was not dependent on any law, but it is a constitutional right, and intervener right to pray being a woman is equal to that of women, and it is not dependent or a law to enable you to do that. And the Chandrachud Justice Nirmana had observed that menstruation is not impure. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.